Jeez, I need to be level 50 or something to challenge him. Because Giovanni, which is this gym's leader, has level 50 as his highest level, and we're just on level 44, 45, 45, 45, 35, 45. And I was stupid because we will meet Gary here, or a rival, and he has like level 53, and I'm like, dude, what the hell, man? I could have gone here earlier and faced him when he was level 9, but now he's level 53 over there. So that is Dream Eater. I'm not gonna learn Dream Eater. Actually, I have Yawn, don't I? That is a very good move. That is indeed a very good move. I learned that. I'm cool with that. Yes. Let's just battle his trainers at least. I mean, there's not much I can do other than train. Because either he has good Pokemon or he has very bad Pokemon, but we don't know that unless we start a fight with him. And if he has a good Pokemon, we're screwed if we don't have a high enough level. That's just how it is. That is not cool. Because Rhydon is scary. He can do much damage. Marshtomp could be weak to you, but he's not. So we're gonna use our Parasect to use Razor Leaf. We didn't use like Razor Leaf. We used Magical Leaf. I don't know why I used you, but I mean, why not? Just trying to level up my my Fearow here. Drill pecking everything, leveling up like that. Because he's a good boy. He's a good boy. I mean, now you're level 45, and I actually really want my Pokemon to be high level before we face anything, because I know that you, Blastoise, you can take anything. So like you have like Hydro Cannon, Surf, Bite, and Ice Punch, and I don't want to risk losing, so I want to level you up because I know you can do pretty much damage to pretty much anything. Look at that. I was almost a done-on person with one Surf. I should have changed out, but see, I didn't even need to change out. You're amazing. Oh, Hydro Cannon is hard to hit though, I think. Well, I'm doing good. I'm doing good so far. I just want to go heal because I don't want to risk anything. Anything going south? You know? I wish my Pikachu, or Raichu, is what I have. I wish he could thunder, but I don't think he can thunder yet, at least. So yeah, I'm cool with this. I'm cool with this. Let's see, and then I need to go here. Can I battle you though? Yes, I can. I was not going to use Bite, I was going to use Ice Punch, but we won either way, so it doesn't matter. Drill Peck, roll on Roselia, take it down Anorith. I think I can do Drill Peck. Dodrio again. I mean, you're the only one that can take Dodrio at least. You're level 47. Typhlosion. Level 37 on Spark. But you're level 47 now. Item take. Let's put it on Archimp. I don't think I want to face Giovanni yet. No. And not Gary either. I think I want to train first. But I'm like, there is this one thing I need to do. And I don't know how to do it, but I really want to get that Articuno. But I don't have Waterfall. And I don't think I need Waterfall, but there is probably a move that I need or something I need to do. But I figure out that I can get another Pokemon. And is it here? This is not where I need to go, no. I don't remember where I needed to go. Yeah, of course it was here. Because there is this one thing I can do over here. That you can leave me alone. Because this is Pokemon that I'm gonna use instead of you. Right, true, I'm sorry. I'm having you out here for no reason at all. I mean, I'm sorry, but this is a Pokemon that I'm pretty sure everyone would choose in front of you. Or probably not everyone, because there's not everyone liking this Pokemon. But I do. And I'm gonna put, I'm gonna use a Max Repel so I don't get any random encounters. And I'm not gonna even take these Pokeballs because some of them are Voltorbs and Electrodes, and I don't know who are who. And I don't want to get in an encounter with that. Because I want to get in an encounter. My first encounter will be this. No, that does not count. No. It's a legendary either way, so I can do it because it's a legendary. Legendary shinies are allowed to catch. But yeah. So what Pokemon am I gonna use though? This is a little scary. I'm gonna save just in case I kill it or something. Rock Slide. No, okay, you know what? Fuck you. Hell yeah. Let's see. You know what? You're the electric bird. Let's call you Thunder. I think that's a nice name for it. No! It's in the dead box. don't, no. We're not gonna have it in the dead box. Ghastly, could I catch that? I don't know. I wouldn't even catch it though. I mean, why would I use it? I'm sorry, Sparky, but we're going to change you out for this guy. We used the revive on you, but now I was like, no, I'm gonna, I'm gonna have this. Oh, I need to move items from you. Take that. Give it to. Come on, jeez. Give it to ZAPDOS. Nah, ZAPDOS is already level 50. Let's give it to Swallow. Dude, I'm gonna save that. And also now I'm going to go to... can I fly over there? I can't fly over there. I need to fly to here. And then just surf over. Yeah, that was nice. I can do this. Hi Magby, I already have you. But can I? It's a legendary, so I'm allowed to catch it because that's a rule. But I don't think I think I said it once. The currents is much too fast. Surf can't be used here. But how the hell am I supposed to? I know this is where Articuno is, isn't it? Isn't this where Articuno is? Am I doing something wrong here? I'm probably doing something real wrong, but I'm like, what the hell am I doing wrong? Because I can't get past here. That's just not possible. Or is it? Is it? Is it? Like there's no other way to get over there? There's literally like no other way. Dude, that is bullshit. Let me see. There has to be some other way, right? Like we have this place. That is where... that is like right where I was. No, I was there. Oh. Oh. I haven't surfed here yet, have I? No, I haven't. Oh my god, I'm so glad I found this place. Oh my god. No, why am I using you? I don't want to use you. Okay. Thanks for that win, I guess. Thank you. Rock slide on that Pikachu. Oh, thank you very much. Maybe this is where I have to go to find it. To find the current. No, Articuno, not current. What? Why am I still using Blastoise? I mean, Blastoise is already overpowered. Wait, you don't have bite. I thought you had bite. I don't know why. Oh hi! More people to battle. I'm gonna battle everything because I need to prepare myself. Like seriously, I need to level up. Good. Battle me. You're gonna hit the springs in lava ridge with Flannery. I'm gonna train him good. Gonna train him right. Well, I wouldn't say no to being what was it? Lava, gonna hit the springs in lava ridge. Okay, like in a hot tub with Flannery. I wouldn't say no. Flannery is a good-looking girl, I gotta say. She's a little weird, but she's good-looking, so she means well. Yeah, thank you. Oh my god, we're learning cross-chop? Oh my god, yes, please. Yes, please. Cross-chop my butt. No, don't cross-chop my butt. I didn't mean it like cross-chop my butt. I didn't mean like you were going to do it. But you know, like, just, okay. Just forget it. I didn't say anything, so just leave me alone, please. You are such an asshole. You're going down. I'm getting a timber. You better move. You better dance. You won't remember. I haven't met an encounter yet, have I, in this water? What will be the encounter, though? Yeah, I will never find out, because it is. You know what? Let's change that to ebooks. Like, let's see what you can do against the Drowsy. You can slash him down. That's a good thing. Magmar. Let's just Firo. Spoink. No, I'm not gonna use Machamp because that could be bad. Like, if I get an encounter, what would I catch? Kabuto? I'm not gonna catch it. Because I don't know if I did find I don't remember if I found the first encounter or not. I'm having a blast playing this. Like, I'm having a real blast. I'm having fun. Why did I use slash? That would never work. Oh, that's the camera. Oh my god, I did not see it. I did not see it. Oh my god, that could have been bad. This is a new route. I can catch Pokemon here. Growl it. Ah, fuck it. Why the hell not? Yay! Okay. K9. Why do they get in the dead box? Why? I don't understand. I need to remember that he's not dead. No, come on, wake up, please. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. Thank you. Champ grew to level 47. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's a good thing using you against the fire type, but I mean, look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Hey, hey. Item take, and we're gonna put you at the top. Item give. We're gonna give you the XP share. We're gonna battle the other trainers around here. Getting little levels, getting some levels, leveling up, you know. Oh my god, I was actually lucky there, having Pokemon that are weak to grass. You're not weak to grass, but like I can slash you, so you're dead. Volbit, I can also slash you. Meditite, I can probably slash you too, yeah, see. And a Horsey, Magical Leaf. Look at that! Doing good, doing good. That's a good thing, that's a good thing. Yes, yes, no. Hey, you wanna battle? Strong trainers and water Pokemon like common sights in these parts. They say that Misty of the Cerulean Gym trains here. Well, she got nothing on me. Oh god, I survived. That is a good thing. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. I know what to do now. No, let me go. Let me go. You don't fucking dare to try to kill me. Because if you do, you're gonna be my enemy, just like the creepers in Minecraft just became. Because when I played with my friends, that fucking creeper exploded my cockadoo, and I just got him. And I was giving him a name and stuff. I didn't give him a name, but I was going to. It's so sad. I'm gonna use a max repel, because I'm just gonna be tired of all the battles I will be running into. What? Didn't I teach strength to any of my Pokemon? Huh. Thought I did. Well, strength is... Oh yeah, I don't remember who had strength. Sorry, you're dead. Yeah, I teach strength to you. I think you can do that. Can't you? Let's see. Everstone. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. Not a chance. I think if I push you down again. And again? Yep. I did right. I done did do right. Oh shit, that was wrong way. That was the wrong way. screenshot it. Yeah, totally. Thank you. Okay. There we go. Yes, I know where he is. You guys just saw him, didn't you? You guys just saw him. Because he's over there, right? Oh no, I need a waterfall. No, do I need a waterfall to catch him? No, I don't. Don't screw with me. Please. No, 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 no. No, oh shit. Oh shit. I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do this. Please don't tell me I done diddly goofed. Please don't tell me I need that. No. I don't need it. Alright. Alright. Who am I gonna change out with ARTICUNO? Like, I have already my Bellatrix, my Blastoise, and I'm not gonna change her out. Not a chance. I mean, Parasect and Swallow, you have been with me a while now, and I think it's time to take goodbye with one of you, and I don't know who, cause you have Slash and Magical Leaf, and Swallow has Yawn, Dream Eater, Sludge, Body Slam. So I think it will be you, Parasect. But thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And I'm actually going to use the Master Ball here. You are my favorite, and you are the mascot of my Pokemon Go team. So we're gonna call you Mystic. And you're in the dead box. I'm sorry. You're in the dead box. Do I have? I don't have doesn't seem like I have an escape rope. Well, have fun getting out. Well. What was that? Metal coat? Is that what I got? Escape rope! Hey! Use it. Thank you. Okay. You know what? I don't know where to get, where to get, where to get, what is the name of the Pokemon now? I don't remember where to get. Come on! Moltres! God dang it. I don't know where to get Moltres, so I'm just gonna check that real quick. Cause if I can get everything in one episode, I can just go straight on the gym after. Like not in this episode. I'm not gonna go to the gym this episode. I'm probably gonna do it in next. I just need to find out where Moltres is. Where to find Moltres in Leafgreen? Thank you. To finish the sentence for me. One island in the Sevi Island and get all the way to the top of Mount Ember. In order to pass the obstacle along the way, you must bring Pokemon that know Surf, Strength, and Rock Smash. Moltres is the only legendary bird whose location differs from the original red and blue versions of the game. Yeah, I didn't need to know that. But since we need Rock Smash and stuff, I guess we're gonna keep Parasect just for a little more. Can we click? No, we can't click that one. That is a back button. No, please fly me to. Where do I need to go then? I need to go to. Oh, I need to go just here, don't I? Yeah, but where? How do I get to? How do I get to Sevi Island? Uh, I don't know how to get to the Sabi Island. Do I need to get up here? Is that no? Wait a second. Wait a second. Can't I change anything? No. And clicking that is just going back. But do I need to maybe take the boat from Vermilion City, like the boats, like the boat, like here, boat. Ah. Oh, I have the tree pass. Oh, all right, okay, all right, okay, all right, okay. Put in the mic. That's what it does. What it is. Yeah. I'm gonna teach you Rock Smash. Just wait for it. Right on. Yeah, let's fucking just go with Magical Leaf. I don't know why I still have the experience on you, because we're not gonna use much. Maybe I'm not gonna do the post the after game. Postpone or something. Just give it to those who need it. Item. Give. XP share. You two swallow it. Take. And give Bellatrix it. Item. Give. Experience share. Because we're probably gonna need Bellatrix a lot. Is this where my... Don't kill me before I get to where I need to go with this guy. Jeez, fucking have some respect, dude. Magical Leaf on you, and you can just body slam on that Medicam. You're doing great, guys. I'm actually going to put... No, I'm not gonna fly. I'm gonna change you and switch with you. There's a Pokeball there. It's probably nothing important. The pretty high level Pokemon here, though. I gotta say that. That's a good thing. Easier to level up, you know. Let's see, Pursuit. I just wanted to pursue it once to see how it felt. I'm just kidding. What is this? Is this Mount Ember? Light the fire in your heart, Ember Spa. Ooh. Ooh. Seeking the hot spring pool is therapeutic, people. What is this? See how smooth my skin is? The hot spring water keeps my skin younger than my age. Huh! Thank you for refreshing my Pokemon. I appreciate that. What did you give me? You give me an A-gem. What kind of A-gem was that? Dude, did you give me Rock Smash because I didn't have that, or did I have Rock Smash? I don't remember, but at least I got it now. And I need it, so... Thank you, old man. It's really nice of you. I'm gonna battle this guy. Alakazam! That's my impersonation of him. Okay, so we're going pretty much overtime here, but who cares? Like, it's... it's 3:25 a.m. And I should go to bed. Hey, look at that! How did that feel? I took you down like right away. Cause I'm good at that. Taking you down in one hit. And that's what I do. Look at this Sand Slash. I took it down in 2 hits. Beat that. You bitch. I'm not gonna learn agility, are you crazy? Match up, let's just put you in front, because you're gonna level up now. I don't care if it is a cacturn, you're taking it down with surf. That's right, my boy, my girl, I'm sorry, I forgot you were a girl, my Rocco boy. You wanna learn me explosion? Forget that. I think this is the way I'm gonna go. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Don't heal in front of me. That is so, that is disrespectful. Just so you know. So disrespectful to heal in front of a guy that has a Pokemon that has low health. Like, it hurts for him. And when you use it and I can't use it, that's bullshit. I could use it all the time, but I didn't. Because it's disrespectful, because I didn't know you had it. Not had it. That is so disrespectful. You should go shame yourself. Ooh, hello. My waifu. Level 40 and stuff. You must have trained it good, if you know what I mean. I'm just gonna use it just because of... I don't want any random Pokemons to jump out while I'm walking this empty street. Na 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 of broken dreams. Na. A puzzle! Yeah, shit. I hate puzzles, but I'm just gonna go for it. It wasn't a hard puzzle. I have one Master Ball left, but I was actually thinking of using it when it comes to after games, because you can find a Johto legendary, one of the 3 legendaries in Johto, like Entei, Raikou, and Suicune, but you can only get 1. And since my starter was matchup, I don't know who I would find, and since I have Blastoise in my party, maybe I will get Raikou. But if Machamp was Charmander, I would get Suicune. But if matchup was Venusaur, I would get Entei. But if matchup was on the place as Squirtle would be in, if it wasn't randomized, of course, I would have a Entei. No. No, if it was on Bulbasaur, I would have an Entei. But if it was on Squirtle, I would have a Raikou. And if it was on the Charmander space, it would be a Suicune. But either way, what I'm trying to say is those Pokemon are hard to catch after I'm finished with the game. So I was going to use the Master Ball on it, but since I decided to not do it, I'm not gonna do it. But if you want me to do it, I can do it without the Master Ball. But just telling you that. So I'm gonna use the Master Ball now. Because I'm not planning on doing the after game unless you guys want to. So I'm gonna call you... What are we gonna call you? Since you're Firebird, we're gonna call you what a Firebird would be called. Like, it's only one type of Firebird that I was going to say exists, but it don't really exist. Phoenix! And you're in the dead box. like everyone. So we're on the top of a mountain, so it should be... No, we're not able to fly, even though we're on the top of a mountain. Wait, can I battle you? I can! Hey! Mighty Anna! Oh, hi. You're gonna battle my... Yeah. Nice. Rock Slide! Ah! You didn't know I had a matchup that could Rock Slide, did ya? Well, now you know. Oh, hi. Yeah, this is also a thing I can do after the game with Ruby and Sapphire. So maybe I'll do it, maybe I don't. It depends on what people think. So what I'm gonna do? Why am? Oh, I could have caught that, couldn't I? Either way, it's an Absol. Absol is awesome. I would definitely do an asshole. That was actually what I was going to say, and I was like, oh, well, that's not right. Absol, not asshole. I was going to say Absol, and then I changed it to asshole while I was saying it because I was like, asshole. But that's not right, is it? But anyway, let me go back to Viridian. And wait. Okay, they don't have the experience share on them. You can move over here because you're not dead. And you can change with Parasect. Thank you for your job, Parasect. I really enjoyed having you on my team so far. You were a good Pokemon. You were a good Pokemon. I can tell you that. What am I doing? Right there. And I can just no, and I can just do this. Look at that, having the legendary birds on my team, guys. We have Thunder, Mystic, and Phoenix. These 3 Pokemon will be with me through Victory Road, through the Elite Four. And if they die, they do die. And that's the end of it. But they will be with me till the end. Even if we lose, and even if we win, they will be with me, and we are going to get through the victory road, and we are going to get to the champion together. We are not giving up. And this is my team now, and this is how it will be. My Fearow, my Blastoise, my Machamp, my ZAPDOS, my Articuno, and my Moltres. So, how much Hyper Potion do I have? 8. That is not enough. I need some more. You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. I'm not flying anywhere. Nope. And this is it. This is it. This is going to be it. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm so ready. So we're gonna save right here. And next episode, we're gonna beat the shit out of this asshole. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We got the 3 legendary birds, and as I said it in one of the first episodes, that legendary and shinies, even if you get a first encounter where you can find this, you can catch it and use it. That's a rule that another Pokemon YouTuber did, and I took that rule and added as a rule for me too. Since I'm an asshole. And they're also the same with the revives. If you find revives, you can use it, but you can't buy it. That's cheating. So, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate it if you subscribe. And next time, we'll beat Giovanni with our 3 legendary birds and our Blastoise, Fearow, and Machamp. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you in the next episode, because in the next episode will be epic. We're gonna go through Giovanni, we're gonna go through Gary, and we're gonna go through the victory road together. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.